Your skates! Look at your sports bag right now. What is wrong, Lily? The race is starting soon. Oh no, my skates! What happened to my favorite skates? The wheels are completely stuck. They will not roll at all. Someone cut my lace. Look, it is completely ruined. The pink buckle is cracked too. How can I wear this? Is that sticky glue inside the wheels? This is terrible. No, no, no. Please roll, please work for me. I cannot skate on these. The final is starting now.
Emma Parker, please report to the starting line immediately.
I am coming, but my skates are completely broken. Emma, what is wrong? Who did this to your skates? I did not know, Coach Sarah. I just opened my bag. Look at her. Maybe she broke them herself just now. Yes, she probably wants to cancel the final race today. Everyone is looking at us, Emma. What should we do? Looks like you are not racing today, Emma. Too bad. Why is Chloe saying that? Did she ruin my skates?
Coach Sarah, please help us. Someone sabotaged my daughter's skates.
I am searching for another pair. Hold on, sweetie. Emma's skates are specially fitted. Other skates might hurt her.
Emma Parker, you have 2 minutes to reach the starting area.
Someone ruined them on purpose. My dream is over now. Wait, what is this blue ribbon stuck inside the buckle? I saw this exact blue ribbon near my bag earlier today.
Emma Parker, are you able to compete in this final?
My whole championship dream is disappearing right in front of me.
Look up there. The security camera watched the equipment area.
Take a deep breath, Emma. We will figure this out.
Try these rental skates, Emma. They might fit your feet. They are too big and loose. I will fall down.
Why is the race delayed? What is happening down there?
I am ready to win the gold medal today, easily. Chloe's purple ribbon is torn. The piece matches this ribbon. Please give us 3 more minutes. Her skates were damaged. You have 2 minutes left, Coach Sarah. Then we start. It is no use, Lily. I cannot skate without proper boots.
This glue is so thick, it completely ruined the bearings.
Look at Emma crying over there. She cannot compete today.
You worked so hard for months, Emma. We are proud.
We love you no matter what happens today, my swing girl. I am going to find out who dropped this ribbon here. Excuse me. Please check the hallway camera footage right now. What is wrong, little girl? Why are you rushing here? Someone ruined my friend Emma's skates. Please check the video.
Let us see what happened near the gear bags this morning.
Look right there. Someone is moving near Emma's gear bag. I practiced every afternoon for months, and now I stop. I spent all my summer training. Now I cannot even start.
Do not give up hope yet, Emma. Lily is checking.
Maybe I was never meant to win this trophy, Dad. The other girls are warming up now. Time is running out. Watch me glide. Today, the first place trophy is mine. Chloe is so fast. I wanted to race against her today. Wait! Look at that skater reaching above Emma's open bag.
Oh, look! A bottle of strong glue dropped by mistake.
The glue leaked right into the wheels. It was an accident.
She stepped on the buckle while panicking. That cracked it. It was not sabotage. It was an accidental collision drop. Chloe dropped her ribbon earlier while looking for Emma's bag. Chloe did not sabotage Emma. I must run and tell them. Stop! Do not cancel, Emma. It was all an accident. Time is up for Emma Parker. She must officially withdraw now. Wait, sir. Look at this video security clip right now. Look. A girl knocked over glue by accident. Chloe is innocent. I was looking for Emma to wish her good luck today. I am sorry I made fun of you, Emma. I did not ruin them.
Here, take my spare fitted skates. They are the right size.
Chloe, hope to word tame. Coat's height of you. Are letting me borrow your backup skates right now?
These are high quality and fitted correctly. Put them on fast.
Thank you so much, Chloe. I can still race today.
You have 30 seconds left, Emma. You can do this.
You are cleared to compete. Report to lane 4. I am ready. I will give this race my absolute best. The shoes feel different, but I will not give up now.
On your marks, get
Set. Ready for the championship final.
Bang! And they are off in the final championship race.
Chloe takes an early lead. Emma is pushing hard behind her.
These purple skates are stiff. I must balance my weight.
Focus, Emma, focus! Keep your legs pushing steady and strong.
Go, Emma, go! You can do it! Keep pushing forward! We believe in you, Emma! Show them your true spirit!
I am finding my rhythm now. I can skate fast. Final lap. Chloe leads, but Emma is right behind her now.
Just one more push. Give everything you have got, Emma.
It is a neck and neck battle for the finish line down here. First place and second place finished. What a historic race.
I did it! I finished the whole race without stopping. That was an amazing race, Emma. You skated so bravely. We are so proud of you, Emma. You never gave up. You were incredible, Emma. You are a true champion to us.
Presenting the second place silver medal to Emma Parker today.
Thank you so much. This medal means everything to me. True sportsmanship and friendship won today at the rink. I did not win the gold trophy today, but I won. I did not let fear or broken skates stop me today.
Never give up on your dreams, no matter what happens.